So today's topic I will be explaining is about how to identify whether a sentence is a nominative sentence or a accusative sentence. How can we identify it, and how can we make a sentence as well? Let's see. So let's start with the nominative sentence first. Okay. So nominative sentence. What is a nominative sentence? Nominative sentence is nothing if the sentence, okay, has a verb as a sein verb, yeah, only that sentence is a nominative sentence. Sein verb, what do you mean by sein verb? Sein verb is nothing but sein means to be, yeah. And over here you can see in we have one table which has got pronomen. Pronomen means like it is a replacement of nouns like I, yeah, he, she. These are called pronouns. In German also we have pronouns like ich means I, du means you, informal means tu or tum. Then we have er means he, sie means she, es means it, wir means we, ihr means you all. We have sie, yeah, z over here means they, and capital S, like z with capital S, it means respect wala, yeah, you with respect. So these are all pronomens. And if we say that, okay, sein verb, so the conjugations of sein verb are like ich. With ich we use bin, ich bin, like ich bin wippen. Du bist means you are, yeah. So these are bin, bist, ist. These are all the conjugations of sein verb. Er ist means he is, sie ist she is, es ist it is, wir sind means we are, ihr seid means you all are, yeah, or you all are. Sie means they are, sie sind means they are, sie sind is up, yeah, you are, yeah. So it is with respect. If you want to, if you are talking about some elder person, right, so then in that case you will be using sie with capital S. Moving on, like if I give you an example, ich bin ein Mann, what does this mean? Is this, if I, this sentence, is this a nominative sentence or an accusative sentence? Yeah, you guessed it right. It is a nominative sentence. Why? Because the verb is bin. It's a sein verb. So simple. If the verb is sein verb, then it is a nominative sentence. Why it is nominative? Because of sein verb. Bin is a sein verb. Moving on. The subject over here is ich. Yeah, subject, always remember ich. Yeah, subject is always nominative. Subject is always not, there are two things basically. A sentence is a nominative sentence, yeah. So the whole sentence, ich bin ein Mann, this is a nominative sentence. And when I say, yeah, the subject is nominative, means subject, yeah, the sentence is made of subject, verb and an object. So always remember, subject is always nominative. Verb, over here it is a sein verb which is bin, and object is like ein Mann. So man, the article is der Mann. Der Mann means it is a bestimmt article, or ein Mann unbestimmt article, yeah. And all the masculines have der as an article. Good. So what are the unbestimmt articles? As I said, unbestimmt means ein or eine, yeah. Like for masculine, nominative case, the case when the verb is sein verb. So in that case we will be using, like for masculine it is ein, for feminine eine, neutrum ein. Even, yeah, for accusative, what is accusative sentence? Or accusative sentence when the verb is not sein verbs, yeah. So accusative mein ein becomes einen, eine becomes ein, yeah, it does not change basically, eine or neutrum ein. So yeah, so these are unbestimmt articles. Unbestimmt articles कौन से होते हैं? Like a, it is a pen, yeah, a, like in English. But if I say it is the pen, when I am talking about the pen, a particular pen, then it becomes a bestimmt article. So over here, yeah, ich bin ein Mann means Yeah, I am a person, I am a man. Yeah, so it is like that. Moving on, let's take another example. Yeah, so over here, yeah, it is ein. So yeah, so why I have used ein? Because ich bin ein Mann, because this sentence is a nominative sentence, and man is what? A male person. So masculine and nominative ein. Moving on, let's take another example. Du bist eine Pilotin. Pilotin means a female pilot. The whole sentence means you are a female pilot. Yeah. So is this sentence nominative sentence or accusative sentence? Yeah, you are right. Sein verb because of bist. Yeah. So this is again a nominative sentence because of verb, sein verb. Yeah. Du bist. You can see over here. Yeah. Then the subject over here is du. Yeah. Bist is a sein verb. Yeah. And Pilotin is a feminine. Yeah. So yeah, feminine. So die Pilotin or eine Pilotin. Again over here, if I talk about unbestimmt articles, so again we have the same particular table, nominative. So this particular sentence is a nominative because of the verb bist. Yeah, because of this verb bist, we will refer to this particular row because this is a nominative sentence. And feminine, Pilotin is a feminine. So I will be referring to this particular cell, that is eine. So for man, I used ein because of masculine, and for Pilotin, for feminine, I have used eine. Good. Now what is an accusative sentence? Accusative sentence is when the verb is not sein verb, right? So any other verb apart from sein, yeah, that particular sentence becomes accusative. Like sehen. Sehen means to see. Machen means to do or to make. Lieben is to love. So similarly, yeah, we have many other thousands of verbs we have. But the verb is other than sein verb, the sentence becomes accusative sentence. Let's see. Ich sehe einen Mann. So verb over here is sehen. So this sentence is this nominative or accusative? Yes, you are correct. Accusative sentence because of this verb sehen. It is not a sein verb, so it becomes an accusative sentence. Now, why einen Mann? Because in previous example you must have observed I mentioned it as ein Mann. So why over here it is einen? So remember, okay, let's see. The subject over here is ich. The verb is sehen. Yeah. So and object is der Mann. Yeah. There is no change. But remember this table, unbestimmt articles. Yeah. Again the same table. So as I said, yeah, the verb is sehen. Yeah. So we will not be referring to this particular nominative row. We will be referring to accusative row, and accusative mein man is masculine. So we will be referring to this particular column. So yeah, so that becomes einen Mann. Yeah. So this is how it is. Good. Now I hope this is clear. Yeah. Nominative and accusative sentences. Now uses of pronomen. This is another topic. Pronomen, as you remember, we have okay. This is what we yeah, ich in the first slide. Remember, ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie. These are the pronomens. Yeah, these are all the pronomens. These all pronomens are in nominative. What does it mean? Ich means I, matlab मैं. Du means you. Yeah, tu or tum. Er, he means yeah, the person, the male person. Yeah, sie means she. Es is it. Wir means hum. Ihr, tum sab, you all. Sie with small s, it means they. Wo log. Sie with capital S, it means आप, with respect. Yeah. So always remember the first line says in case of subject, if it is a subject, obviously the sentence is nothing but subject, verb and an object. So always remember, whenever you have to make a sentence in German language, the subject will always be nominative. So nominative means you will be using, if you want to use pronomens, yeah, you will be referring to these particular values, that is Ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie. The subject will always be out of these if it is a pronoun, if you want to use. Otherwise the name, like Arman, Vipin, you can directly use. In that case it does not matter. But if you want to use he, she, it, or I, then in that case you have to take the values from these, because subject is always nominative. Now the second rule says, in case the sentence is accusative. Accusative sentence, remember, when it is accusative, when the verb is not sein verb. In that case, the object will be in accusative or dative. Okay, let's forget what is dative, leave that. But otherwise, there is one more case, dative. Let's not go into that. But for now, for A1, always remember, if it is not a sein verb, then object will always be accusative. Because the sentence is in accusative. So in that case, if suppose you have to say in accusative the object, so you cannot, as an object you cannot put ish, you have to use mish. Mish matlab mujhe. Do becomes dish, matlab tujhe. Air becomes in, usko. Z does not change, Z remains Z only, S remains S only. Wear becomes uns. Wear means हम. uns मतलब हमको. ear means you all, and oish, in accusative ear becomes oish, which means तुम सबको. Z does not change, Z is Z only, and Z does not change with a capital S, it does not also change. Moving on, like an example, ish zeha einen man. So over here, what is the subject? Subject is ish, and zehen, that is a verb, so that is a verb, and einen man is an object. Obviously this sentence is an accusative sentence because the verb is not sein verb, as I said. But if, for example, it means, this sentence means ish zehe einen man, means I see a man. But instead of man, if I want to say I see him, in that case how should I write? I will write ish zeha in. I see him, मैंने उसको देखा. So ish is a subject, zehen is to see, so it does not change. But what changes? Instead of einen man, what I have written in. This is what accusative pronomen. मैंने उसको देखा. I cannot say मैंने मुझको देखा. नहीं. I cannot say ish zeha dish, मैंने तुमको देखा, because I say I see a man. So मैंने किसको देखा? A becomes in. I see him. I hope this is clear. Another example, du liebst mich. Lieben means that is to love. Du liebst mich. That is du means tum. This is a subject over here. This is a verb, lieben, and mich, this is an object. So this means you love me. So so over here, why mich? Because तुम मुझे प्यार करते हो. So मुझे means mich. Because the verb over here is lieben. That is why the object has to be in accusative, and accusative में in ish becomes mich. You love me. I hope the usage of pronomen in nominative and in accusative is clear. So thank you so much. So this was it. I hope this is clear.